Why people, the weekend we need about 3 or 4 days for the weekend. Weekend have to finish too quick, man. And me alone think weekend done too quick. Because you go to work from Monday to Friday. The week is like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. I mean, I have one impression to it go, people. The weekend done too quick. Yesterday morning, I wake up, I do the laundry, I make breakfast, we went shopping, come back home, cook dinner, and the day done. The day done. Today is Sunday, and you're going to see how quick it fast because today, right now, is already after 11. It's already after 11. Now wake up and look breakfast, and already after 11. So you don't get no chance to do nothing at all on Sunday, on weekend in general, because weekend go by too quick. It fly too quick, man. We need 3 or 4 days weekend. Anyway, let me start my rumbling about the weekend. Tomorrow I'll be taking my second dose of the COVID vaccine. So I'm not sure if I'll be going to work tomorrow because my appointment is in the morning. So I pray to God that based on what I hear people talk about the second dose, how they feel after, then sick, then sleep the full day, then feel nauseous, then tired, all that. Plus then and I hurt them like crazy. Well, I'm going to see and tell you guys all about my experience of my COVID vaccine tomorrow. But let me tell you, I'm not scared about the juke I'm gonna get, the injection I'm gonna get. I'm scared about the pain, the aftermath that I'm afraid of. Let me see how it go. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, and I don't even know what's going to happen in today's video. You just have to just stick around and see what's going to happen. For today we are at the lakeside and it will be only me. I don't think this clip is footage of Matthew today, of Matt today. Only me and Jamoy Maya, and I think you will see Alex too. But today we're going to pick blackberries. So come with us while we go and pick the blackberries. Jamoy and Maya is over there picking berries. So we just stay right here so all I can refresh ourselves in the lake. Watch her. Happy like picnic on weekend. Look. Ah, hola. 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 She's looking at Jamoy and Maya. Alright guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to us already. Click on that notification bell so you will be notified each time we upload a video. And please continue to watch the video. And thank you guys for the support. We love and appreciate you guys. Now we are look blackberries. A whole bunch of blackberries here next to the canal down there. So you can't hear the rushing of the water, but then they're too far, I can't reach them. They have a whole bunch of blackberries here. C'est pas grave, Robin, c'est pas grave. Non, Maya va pas tomber.
C'est nager. Maya, c'est nager. C'est dans son cerveau.
They say, Ola go drop, but no, Ola not drop. Alright, me go pick the blackberry. But I remember growing up in Jamaica, coming from school, we used to have to pass one berry tree. And when I see we read that berry tree, not no less funny because we are eat ripe, we are eat green, we are eat turn, we are eat everything. So one pass, not no less funny people in tree. Not one berry left on the tree, but them taste nice. Me like them one, yeah. See, in the fully, you have this purple color. Look, purple look. I'm eating just so. It's nice. Tiens, let me see what's in my bag.
Moi j'en ai vu un, puis c'est bon.
So this is where we are now.
Chaque fois il y
We
en a
have one canal right here, so this is the next side of the canal. So this is where we are on our trail picking blackberries, but in French they call them mure. M-U-R-E, and the U have a little upside down V on top of it. They're nice. Some big branch up there some more to reach. Right here. Just some finger point. Finger point is on the western. Whatever. See it right there, so I'm gonna try to pick it. Show me a muscle. Show me a muscle. Show me a muscle. Put it on. Did this boy just spray water on my phone a while ago?
Oui, oui. Si.
Leave Ola alone. So since summer, at first I put my foot, step one foot in this pool. I'm always there work, always busy. So first, I step one foot in this pool. The water a little bit cool. We're going to take a dip today. Today is Sunday, but they won't do nothing. So I clean off my face. Good. So I'm going to try this green clay on my face for the first time. And this is the result. So my face look very fine. Try the green clay for the first time. So I'm going to take a dip now. Woo! Voila. Not too bad, huh? 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, bravo, my Shaggy. You do it again. Bravo, 2 times. Come back now?
Non, mais je joue au chat.
Wait there. So I just don't take a dip in the pool. My body feel refreshed. Lie down or sit down in the sun. Taking some vitamin C. Hello guys, welcome back to my fake cooking show.
Hello.
So I want to eat Nanny Mackin. Alright, first you're gonna peel the banana. Peel the banana.
J'enlève la peau.
Yeah. So I'm going to make them one quick snack. Here I have a pancake. I made a pancake this morning. So I'm just going to make a quick snack for them to eat.
Hey, Bob.
Messy. Put the banana in the skin. Put it back in the skin right here. So messy. I have some vanilla ice cream and 2 bowls. One scoop of vanilla ice cream for Maya. 2 scoop vanilla ice cream for Jamoy. Alright, just 2 scoop ice cream each. Now I'm going to add the pancake to the side. Just a quick snack for the afternoon. A little bit before dinner. As now it's after 4. I'm cutting the banana and slicing the banana. Put it in the ice cream bowl.
Celle-là. Sûr?
Wherever you want to put it.
Maya, tu t'en fais, tu lances dedans, tu lances.
Just drop the banana inside the bowl. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. Alright, drop the banana in the ice cream bowl. 3 in that one. 3 in this one. We have some freshly picked blackberry that we just picked. No, me just...
Comment j'en veux pas?
Okay, je mets pas. Je mets que pour Jamoy. She don't want none. Just put blackberries in it for Jamoy. Put on that Jamoy. Couple of blackberries for Jamoy. Go for 2 spoons, Jamoy.
Okay.
Go for 2 spoons.
J'adore ça.
Go on for 2 little spoons, quick.
Lico.
And now I just throw some sprinkling on it.
J'adore.
Just throw some sprinkling on it. And it's good to go. And there you have it, quick and easy snack for the kids. Ready in 5 minutes time, less than 5 minutes time.
Est-ce qu'on peut manger même?
They whip up that quick and easy for the kids and get them off your back until dinner time. Alright, Maya start eat hers already. How it is?
I'm tranquille.
It's a quick and easy snack for the kids. And now Jamoya got his. It tastes good? So we can do it again tomorrow evening?
Oui.
I mean ice cream, pancake, blackberry bananas, whipped cream, and like a sprinkling. So that's it for my fake cooking show today. Hope you remember to give this video a thumbs up. Click on that notification bell, and if you haven't subscribed to us already, please to subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Get us to 1K. Get us to 1K subscribers before summer finish, before September begins, guys. We can do this together. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye, Maya.
Oh,